paper cutting craft with good manure. Independence Day, also called 4th of July or July 4th, in the United States, the annual celebration of nationhood. This day is a federal holiday traditionally observed with parades, concerts, picnic food, and fireworks. Do you have any ideas for 4th of July project? Today let me show you how to make this cute little gnome happy 4th of July with color papers. Let's get started. Here is what you need. Color papers, 170-250 GSM. Double-sided sticky foam tape. Scissors. Art knife or cutting machine, Cricut. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. After cutting process. Gnome in this design is combined by 6 different layers, so I'm gonna glue them together with glue stick like this. Because gnome is a small detail, if we use sticky foam, the result will be too thick to be perfect. Of all layers, use double-sided sticky foam tape to glue layers like I'm gonna do in video. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. This is the finished creature. What do you think about it? Leave your opinion at the comments section to let us know what you think. If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below. We're here to help.